This video is going to provide a tutorial on setting up a course in D2L. For instructional purposes, I'm going to refer to this as Pilot because that is what the students refer to it at Stover University. So along the top you can see all the different semesters that are available. I'm going to look for courses in spring 2021. I'm going down to this demo course that I have set up, and you'll notice that it says inactive. I'm going to select to open the course. Across the top is a banner of different options. I am going to select Course Admin and move down here to Course Offering Information. I'm going to pull the bar down on the right side to where Active Course is active. You'll notice that the block is not currently selected. I'm going to click inside the box. You'll notice that it now says course is active. If I scroll down a little bit, I can set the dates that the students have access. So I'm going to say that the course has a start date, and I'm going to make that today, March 12th, and it can have an end date, and I'm going to make that end date further into the future. So let's make that end date April 16th, and then there's the time. So the course is active. I have a start and an end date, so now I'm going to select Save. And I will go back to the home page. And I'll back out of my Pilot. And you'll notice now that for spring 2021, the course no longer says it's inactive. This means that it is in fact active.